Let's make some bread. Sourdough starter. Super bubbly. It needs to be used like now. So gotta do that. I need to go get my laptop because I have the recipe up there. I don't know which recipe to use, so I'm just gonna start with one. This is my first time ever making sourdough. This is my baby. I call it my Tamagotchi because it's very high maintenance. You can see the bubbles. I fed it so that it would get bigger, and it definitely has. It needs some room to breathe. I think it's got a good smell to it, just slightly sour. So I'm gonna go get my laptop. I'll be back. Right now I have the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City up on my laptop, so I need to switch that. I think I'm going to try the rustic sourdough bread from King Arthur Baking Company. This chewy loaf has rich, deep flavor with mild sourdough tang. Since it includes commercial yeast as well as oh no, I don't want this one. I don't want the one with yeast. Hold on. $11 grams of salt, 375 grams of water. Oh, so close. 363, 365, 366, 370, 371. Oops, too much. Okay, 375 grams of water. Now I'm going to need 50 grams to 100 grams of my starter. So I'll get that ready. I just want to lift up my sleeves for this because I feel like it's going to get a little messy. That is a bubbly starter. All right, so 50 to 100 grams. I'm going to try and be clean with this. I think I'm going to try 100 grams, maybe? Actually, let's see. So I've got 49 grams right here. Maybe I'll do 75. Let's do a nice medium or median between the two. I have been dying to make sourdough bread, so this is gonna be fun. All right, 78. I think we're good. And one thing to note is that I did do 2 feedings before deciding to start making bread, so that is important to note. I'm gonna put my starter back in its little home just so that it stays healthy, 75 degrees. It's good to go. Now I need 500 grams of flour. Don't have King Arthur's, but I'm just gonna use this organic flour. $500 grams of flour. These are all of the ingredients. We've got water, salt, starter, and flour. Now we're gonna mix them all up. First, we take the water and the starter. We mix that together. It's super sticky, so that's going to be fun. So I'm just gonna use a whisk just to really get in there. I know a lot of people have like special tools. Maybe I'll get them, maybe I won't. We'll see. So once this is all mixed together, then I will add the salt. I just want to make sure it's all really mixed together. Now we add the salt to the water and starter mixture. Mix it again. And the next step is to add the flour. I don't know if I have enough space in this bowl, so I may have to transfer to another bowl. Okay, time to add the flour. Let's see if I have enough space. It looks like there's enough space. So we stir this until combined. I have a feeling it's gonna be a lot of this motion, just kind of folding, and it's gonna work this in. And I already spilled, dang it. Aye. All right, this is coming together. Just gonna keep stirring. Make sure all the ingredients are incorporated. It's a little hard to do with one hand. This is the first set of stretch and pulls. Pretty sticky right now. For this recipe said to do 4 stretch and pulls over the first 2 hours. Cover that back up another 30 minutes. I'll do that 3 more times. Wish I had one of those covers that looks like a shower cap. That would be good.